Humerus bone anatomy. The humerus is the largest bone of the upper extremity and defines the human brachium arm. It is divided into three parts: proximal end body or shaft, distal end. Proximal end. The landmarks are head, anatomical neck, greater tubercle, lesser tubercle, surgical neck, intertubular sulcus. Body or shaft. It has three borders: anterior medial lateral, three surfaces: anteromedial, anterolateral, posterior, and deltoid tuberosity. Distal end. The landmarks are capitulum, radial foci, coronoid foci, medial epicondyle, lateral epicondyle, medial supracondylar ridge, lateral supracondylar ridge. Articulation: proximally with the glenoid via the glenohumeral joint and distally with the radius and ulna at elbow joint. Thanks for watching.